Hello guys, Happy New Year and welcome to Piping, Welding and NDT channel. So this is a 45 degrees rolling offset. Now we will compute the treble and also this letter A question mark and also this treble question mark and also this run question mark. So only the given is this roll. Let's say this is 6, okay, and then this is inches, and then we have set of, let's say this set is 18, okay, inches. So we have a given of set 18 and roll 6, and our question mark here is run, travel, and this letter A. Okay, now the formula for this 45 degrees rolling offset is, please take note this formula, this is a very important. So our formula is A equals I square root of roll squared plus set squared. Okay, so we will find this the letter A to travel and also the run and also this letter A. Okay, first we will find this letter A to get this travel and also to get this run. Okay, so by using this formula we will find this first letter A. Okay, so we will compute it using this calculator. So our given is 6 and also 18. Using this formula, 6 is our roll, 6 squared, it means 6 times 6. Okay, then 36. Okay, so our roll here is 36 plus our set is 18. So 18 multiply 18 multiply it to 18 equals, so 324. We have a 324 here, and also just add this 36 plus 324. Okay, so 324 plus 36 equals, so we have answer of 360. Okay, so this is our answer for this 360, and then 360, the 360 square root. So we have answer is 18.9. So our A is 18.9, just round off it. Our answer for this A is 19. Okay, so very easy formula for to get this letter A. Now we will find this travel and run. to get this travel, just multiply it. The A means this A is 19. Just multiply it to 1.414 to get the travel. Okay, the answer of travel is 26.8. Now we have answer for this. We have a 26.8. Just round up it. This is 27. Okay, very easy. Just multiply the 19 and also the constant 1.414. Now we will find this run. To get this run, A 19, just multiply it to 1.080. Okay, so our answer for the run is 20.52. So this is our answer here, run is 20.52. Okay, so very easy formula to get this 45-degree rolling offset. Just take note this all formula and my how to get this travel, run, and A using this solution. And I hope you have learned about these videos, 45 degrees rolling offset. Thanks for watching, guys, and Happy New Year to all of you. Bye. See you in my next video.